The sun comes up, but I won't go down. I've been real high up, and I've hit the ground. Memories of the past race through my mind, just like that train on that whole track of line.
Some of these empties, Lord, as soon as I find where they lay, tied off them jolly and leaving mines on a long hot summer day. And for every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day.
Snow melting in the sun, cool water gonna cleanse my soul, gonna quench this thirsty tongue, gonna quench this thirsty tongue, gonna quench this thirsty tongue.
Where you going, my brown-eyed son? You used to crawl, but now you run. You started off on a road half dark, and the river curled into a question mark. We sleep on diamond beaches, dear, and drink from prison streams so clear. You don't have to be rich to get around. There are mansions growing out of the ground. Days go by, get out and see the world. Days go by, get out and see the world with your own eyes. Now the journey took you far from home and pushed you out of your comfort zone. There are kids out there with war paint on, and hearts break like crayons. Before you left, the world was small. Now the hills are bleeding like waterfalls. There are a lot of bad things that have been